This is a video that you have asked for previously. One of our followers has asked for it. It's a video about a black work tattoo on the neck. This is exactly what we'll be doing here, all in one session. Our tattoo model, she is really worried about this part. She has never had her neck tattooed and she's quite afraid of it. So we are going to use numbing solutions for this process. You'll see the process of that happening in this video also. If you don't see that part in the free video option, then you'll probably see it in the sponsorship option, which you can sign up to on our YouTube also and watch all our exclusive tattoo study videos. Many ask, why do we use a spoon? A spoon is clean. It can be sterilized in an autoclave or a heating oven if you have one of those. Your customers also have spoons at home. They can be easily sterilized by your customers at their homes by simply boiling them, and they can be taken around and used for applying ointments and creams and other healing solutions over their fresh tattoos. And we find them very useful also for applying tattoo numbing solutions onto our customer's skin. I'll be using четверка and dvojka on Crusoe Universal for the application process. I'll explain my choice of needles. They leave a very saturated spot each time when they puncture the skin. And at the same time, they have quite a large gap between them, which means that I'll be able to do the run through, which will already be half the job of the application process. And then I will apply our secondary anesthetic, and then I will proceed to making the detailed parts close to the outline and spreading the rest of the dots in the middle of the element. So to actually make your result a little bit more see-through to yourself, so you can check yourself, you can add the water. See the dots? So firstly, before I apply the secondary anesthetic, I'll dry out the tattoo, and I'll only do one side at a time. This is it. I'll leave it on for 15 minutes. For the moment, I'm going to grab our dvojka needle and I'll go over the detail, the parts that are close to the outline, these little corners, and of course the parts that need to be more saturated with dots. Before you watch further, if you already like what you have been watching on our channel, do sign up. It is very important for us. Don't forget to leave your comments because that helps us grow bigger and gives us motivation to keep making these videos for you. As well as that, we do make really large tattoo projects, and our models and our customers are really happy when you write your questions to them, so they can also reply them in their interviews. Okay, so we have done everything on the front, and now we are going to do the sides of the tattoo. So for everyone who wondered how to tattoo the side of the neck and this part here, I'm not sure what it's called in English, you have to actually sit the person up, and when you apply the anesthetic, it works quite well, so the person doesn't shrink her shoulders and doesn't move around too much. So sitting up is the best position for these parts here.
Как это для тебя было в целом?
Легче, чем я ожидала. Я ожидала, что будет пить. Что я сознание потеряю, задохнусь.
Спасибо за хорошую.
Я этого ожидала, но мне было легче. Было местами больно, но в целом терпимо.